Your phone is slow, your apps are crashing, and your storage is somehow full again, even though you deleted 3 apps last week. What if I told you the problem isn't your phone? It's what your phone has been quietly holding on to. Hey, I'm Mia, Pretty OCD, with organizing, honest reviews, and tech talk. No Pinterest perfect pressure. Sounds good, but it feels better. Let's get into some tech talk. Today, we're talking about cache. And before your eyes glaze over, I promise this is the reason your phone feels like it's running on a prayer and a lip gloss. Last tech talk, I told you what cache was. We're actually going to clear it. I'm going to show you exactly what I found on my phone, what disappeared, and what didn't. Because knowing what it is and knowing what to do about it are two very different things. Cache is not complicated, but there is a reason that accept all button is always big and easy to hit. It lets websites track you, remember you, and feed you all those ads that follow you like an unwanted ex. And yes, some of that stored data adds up over time. So again, what is cache? It's a small, fast storage area that keeps copies of frequently used data so it can be accessed more quickly later. Think of it like this. Every website you visit, every app you open, it leaves little breadcrumbs on your phone. So the next time you go there, it loads a lot faster. Cute, right? Except those breadcrumbs pile up. Y'all, this is so crazy trying to clap like this. This ain't it. Okay, so suddenly your phone's storage closet is full of crumbs from a website you visited in 2024. It's like when you stuff receipts in your purse just in case, and then one day your bag weighs 4 pounds and you can't find anything. Same energy, same solution. Dump the old one. Now, here's where this becomes more than an annoying. When your storage gets too full, it doesn't just make your phone feel sluggish. It can also prevent important software updates from installing. So that means you could miss bug fixes, performance improvements, new features, and security patches that help protect your phone. So if you've ever had an update sitting there forever and wondered why it won't install, sometimes the problem isn't the update, it's the lack of storage space available to perform and install the update. And cache is often one of the easiest places to start reclaiming it. Now, here's what they don't tell you. Cache doesn't delete itself, ever. It just keeps growing. All right, let's fix this. I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your Safari cache on iPhone. This takes 30 seconds. Step 1, go to your settings, then go to Safari, then go to clear history and website data. Step 2, confirm, and yes, this logs you out of websites, so make sure you know your passwords. Step 3, watch your storage number change. Now, if you want to clear cache for individual apps, like if one specific app is being rude, go to settings, general, iPhone storage, tap the app, and then offload that app. This keeps your data, but clears temporary junk. It's like emptying that purse, but keeping the wallet. Did you just check your storage? I'll wait. Shocking, right? You're welcome. Android friends, you are not off the hook. Your cache is doing the same thing, just hiding in a different spot. So we're gonna go to Chrome, Settings, Privacy and Security, and then Clear Browsing Data. For individual apps, go to Settings, Apps, tap the app, Storage, Clear Cache. Same breadcrumbs, same closet, different door. Now, why does clearing cache help with app crashes? Because when your phone storage is packed, apps can't write temporary files. They try to save something, there's no room, and they just give up. It's like trying to park in a full parking lot. No open spots, no place to park. Your apps get to that same point and they just tap out. And app crashes aren't always the problem. Sometimes your phone feels slow. Sometimes things take longer to load. Sometimes apps freeze for a second and then catch up. When storage gets tight, your phone has less room to do the behind the scenes work that keeps everything running smoothly. So once you clear the cache, there's room again. Apps can breathe, your phone moves faster, and you get to keep all your photos and apps. You just dump the crumbs. Am I the only one who feels personally attacked when an app crashes? We lose our mind. We have no respect for all the other things these phones do, but we have to respect them, we have to maintain them, we have to tend to them. So keep that in mind. So quick note, you don't need to clear cache every week. Think of it like a seasonal purse clean out every few months. So when your phone starts acting up, that's it. Don't make it a chore. So here's your one thing to do today. Go clear your Safari or Chrome cache right now, 30 seconds. Then come back and tell me how much storage you freed up, because I know it's going to be more than you expected. Drop your freed up gigabytes in the comments. I want to see those numbers. Don't deny what you know.